friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we are going to draw something super fun. A colorful pumpkin.
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Take your black marker. First, let's draw the stem on top. Great job! Pumpkins have sections, so let's add some curved lines inside to form the pumpkin. Wow, it's looking amazing already. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's take out our color pens. Today we'll use so many fun colors. Orange color.
Wow!
Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. Bottle green color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Brown color. Red color. Green color. Whoa! Look at our rainbow pumpkin. It looks so bright and happy. Awesome job, everyone. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring this pumpkin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.